Nursing Geeks, it's Jay, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a DIY IV setup. You will need a water bottle, an exercise band, duct tape, clear bandages, hair ties, IV tubing, a J-loop, an IV catheter is optional, a syringe, clay, and a straw, and something that can be used as an IV pole. Put the exercise band that you didn't use during quarantine over the top of the bottle and use about 6 to 10 hair ties over the top. As safely as you can, cut off the excess band. Go ahead and spike the IV tubing through. Take a piece of duct tape and tear it into 3 pieces and tape those pieces one at a time into a tripod stance on the drip chamber. This will keep the drip chamber steady and it won't be flopping all over the place. Take another piece of duct tape and go ahead and wrap it all around to prevent leakage. Fold a long piece of duct tape in half and go ahead and tape it to the sides of the bottom of the water bottle. This will serve as your DIY IV bag holder. There you go. Take a fake IV scythe with clay and stick a straw all the way through and pull it back so it's barely visible on the top. Using an IV catheter, go ahead and insert that so that the catheter is inside the straw, or you can just use a J-loop and go ahead and poke that into the straw. It should be inside either way. I'm going to use an IV catheter because it's more easy to control and more realistic. And after that, you're going to take your clear bandage and tape it like you would a normal IV site. Be sure to put a cup under the straw to collect your leakage. Squeeze the drip chamber. Undo your roller clamp and hold the patient connector port over the trash can and watch it leak. If your tubing is not new, you may need a syringe. Connect the syringe to the patient injection port and go ahead and pull out some air until the fluid suctions and you can see it and it starts dripping out. You should see the fluid dripping in the drip chamber and the fluid going up the IV tubing. Once your tubing is prepped, go ahead, roll clamp and connect it to your J-loop. Once connected, undo the roller clamp and check to make sure the fluid is dripping properly. If you want to, you can also do this with a secondary bag as well. Just prep another water bottle and prime the secondary tubing line and you can connect it straight to the IV port.